All right, so we're going strobes. Another strobe over there. Another one over there. Can't see it. Got some fountains. Got a wheel rack and a Roman candle behind it. Another fountain. Opening board. Another cue. Just kind of showing you what we got set up. It's dark, so got all these lined up. Gold Storm, some more finale pieces. Mortar rack. Salute rack. Another cue. Well, here's our show. Gonna be starting it up here real soon. Hopefully everything goes without a hitch. Rocket rack. Rockets over there. So yep, that's our little show. Hope it goes off without a hitch. We can move on with our lives.